if you have not been living under a rock, you know there's some major devastation in southeast United States and up the eastern shore, North Carolina, Tennessee. There's just tons of places that have just wreaked havoc. I want to do something special. So anybody that buys a kayak in the next month, 20% of those proceeds are going to go to some kind of relief fund that's going to be vetted and verified. I'm in a benefit tournament right now that is verified through TourneyX. Lots of people are doing it. It's been fun to do, and we're going to take 20% of the next kayak sale we do and put it towards relief efforts. I'll find a place to put the money that's vetted and safe. Thank you, and let's go.